Hello everyone. In the last video I have explained you 4 important terminologies and trick of doing the questions of chapter 9. Children, in this video we will be solving some of the questions of 9.1 by using the trick which I have told you in the previous video. Let's start with the simpler question and then we will move to the complex questions. Here, let's see the question. It is given here. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. So children, first of all, I told you in the trick that whenever you are attempting the questions of chapter 9, that is some applications of trigonometry, then you have to always draw a figure, and that figure should always be a right angle triangle. So let's suppose this is my right angle triangle ABC. Now whatever things are given in the question, we will be labeling in this right angle triangle diagram. So here a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. So this is your ground, BC is your ground, and the kite is flying 60 meters above the ground. So this distance, this height is given to you 60 meters. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. So this is, say this is the kite and it is attached to the ground, that means at point C. The inclination of the string with the ground. So this is the inclination with the ground, which is 60 degrees. Here you need to find the length of the string. So length of AC is to be calculated assuming that there is no slack in the string. No slack in the string means it is not loose from anywhere. It is tightly stretched from both the ends. So this is my diagram. Let's see how I can solve it. So I told you that first of all in the trick I told you, first of all you make the diagram and then you take two sides, one side which is given to you and other side which you want to calculate. So I will be writing it as in triangle ABC. I want to find out C, so I will be taking ratio of these two sides. So I can write AB by AC. Now AB by AC ratio is of what trigonometric ratio? This is what? Sine, cos, tan or what? So first of all, just put where is your perpendicular base and hypotenuse are lying. So fix the position. So here it is 60, in opposite to 60 degree it will be perpendicular, opposite to 90 degree it will be your H, and the left side is your B. So what you have taken AB by AC, that means you have taken AB is what? Perpendicular, and AC is what? H. That means you have taken P by H. So it will be your sine theta. And what is your theta? It is 60 degree. Now AB is given to you 60, AC you want to calculate, and you know sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. You want to calculate AC, so just cross multiply these things. So it will be 60 into 2 upon root 3 equal to AC. Children, you cannot leave your answer in root form in the denominator, so you will be rationalizing it. So on rationalization, I will be multiplying with root 3 and I will also be dividing it with root 3. Alright, so here again this root 3 and root 3 will become 3. So this will be 60 into 2 into root 3 upon 3, and 3 ones are 3, 20. So I will get it as 40 root 3. So what is your length of AC? Therefore AC is equal to 40 root 3 meters, or you can say length of the string is 40 root 3 meters. Let's see the next question, children. Here it is given a 1.5 meter tall boy. So let's first of all draw the diagram. Let's suppose this is your earth surface and this is 1.5 meter tall boy. Alright, standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Let's suppose this is your building which is of 30 meters. Alright, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. So from his eyes to the top of building from the top of building, the elevation is 30 degree and it increases to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. So first of all, you know that angle of elevation is made by line of sight and your horizontal line. So here the horizontal line is missing. So I'll be drawing a parallel line. So this is your now horizontal line and this is your line of sight. So it is making 30 degree when the boy is standing here. When he walks towards the building, let's suppose the position of the observer is now here. He is 1.5 meter tall. So let's suppose he reaches here. Then the angle of elevation with this top gets to 60 degree. Now what I need to find out, find the distance he walked towards the building. I want to calculate this distance. This distance is to be calculated. Let's say this distance is x. Alright. Now let this triangle be A, B, C and D. Which two triangles I have to take? I have to take ABD and ACD because the length, the height of the boy is 1.5 meter. So I have made the horizontal line here only. So the two right angles are forming here. So I will be taking two right angles from here. Now see children, if your building is 30 meter high, then if your height of the boy is 1.5 meter, then the length so left will be your 30 minus 1.5, which is equal to 28.5 meters. Alright. So this is the leftover height. This is 28.5. Fine. Now let's start with the question. First of all, I will be taking in triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, which two sides I will be taking? Obviously, I need to find out this side, which is ABD. So I will be taking BD and AD. So let's suppose I am taking it as BD upon AD. Now what is your BD? This is your 30 degree. So opposite to it, this is perpendicular and this is your base. That means I have taken base upon perpendicular and which is your cot of 30 degrees. Since I am considering ABD, that's why I will be considering 30 degrees. So your BD is what? Your BD is BC plus CD. So I can write this as BC plus CD. And what about your AD? Your AD is 30 minus this height, which is 1.5. So your AD is 28.5. And what is the value of cot 30? It is root 30. So here I am getting it as BC plus CD equal to 28.5 into root 3. I cannot calculate the value of BC or CD because both are unknown. So I am just leaving it here and putting it as equation 1. Let's now take again in triangle, again you write down in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, let's take CD upon AD. Which two sides? One, the side which is given to you, and one which you want to calculate. Since in both the triangles this is your common side, that's why I am taking it as AD. And this is equal to your, again I am taking CD as your base and this is your perpendicular, so it will be again cot 60 degree. What is CD over here? I don't know. What is your AD? This is 28.5. And what is your cot 60 degree? It is just 1 by root 3. So I will be writing it as 1 by root 3. Or I can say CD equal to 28.5 upon root 3. This CD value you can put it here and solve. Let's see the solution here. What I have done, I have taken this CD's value from here and I have put here. So I have then taken this side 28.5 root 3 minus this. Then I have taken LCM and I have simplified it. So I am getting it as 19 root 3. So what is the distance covered by the boy here? The distance covered, that is BC, is 19 root 3 meters. Pause the video and see the solution.